So if you're looking for privacy and you also want to utilize the natural light that comes in the windows, there are a few Hunter Douglas products that would really help with that. The Hunter Douglas Heritance Hardwood Shutter, Hunter Douglas New Style Shutters, and Hunter Douglas Palm Beach Shutters all offer you the ability to tilt the louvers in such a way that you can control the light upwards or downwards and really use that natural light but maintain privacy. For example, with one of those shutter options, you could tilt a 3.5 or 4.5 inch louvered shutter upward, still maintain some of your view, redirect the light upward, and give yourself privacy at the same time. The Hunter Douglas Nantucket or Silhouette offers you a wonderful way to be able to tilt your shades open, allow the light to filter through, block a majority of the glare, get daytime privacy because people can't see through the sheer shadings, or tilt the shades shut at night if you need that full privacy. Another one of the shades is the Hunter Douglas Pirouette, and this offers you a sheer shading that also looks like a Roman shade when it's closed. So it actually affords you the ability to open the louvers, utilize the sheer to be able to allow light in but also give you privacy, or close the louvers, look more like a standard Roman style shade, let the light filter through it but also maintain your privacy at the same time. If you're looking to save a few bucks, another option that you could do would be a Hunter Douglas Everwood faux wood blind or a Hunter Douglas Parkland wood blind. That would offer kind of the same privacy as what we talked about with the shutters. You could allow that light to filter in but tilt those louvers upwards or downwards so that people couldn't directly see into your home and allow light in at the same time. Working with our clients, we found that people are looking really for two types of window coverings. They want the window covering, of course, that you could still see out, maintain your light and your control, but also have privacy at the same time. The second type of window coverings that most people are looking for, kind of more like a light switch. They're either open or they're closed, so it could be a semi-opaque fabric that allows light to filter in while it's closed, but maintains privacy, or is completely exposed because the shade is all the way open. There are also room darkening iterations of that shade that you could close and block all of the light and of course get full privacy. We refer to the first type as more of like a dimmer type of switch. If you want something that's wide open, you can have it wide open. If you'd like something down and tilted open with casual privacy and light control, you can get that type of shade. Or if you want something tilted all the way shut that blocks the light and offers privacy, we have that as an option as well. If you want to combine all of these in one shade, the Hunter Douglas Silhouette with Dual Light is really a fantastic option. It controls all 4 phases of light for you. You have the ability to have the window all the way open. You have the ability to have the fabric with the louvers all the way down and tilted open so that you have that casual privacy and you can see through. You have the ability to tilt the louvers shut, allow light to filter through, get complete privacy, or the fourth phase, you can actually lower the room darkening liner behind it that gives you full privacy and room darkening at the same time. The Hunter Douglas Silhouette is the only window covering on the market that offers those 4 phases of control.